Hey guys, good morning from beautiful southern Nevada. So my son and I were out exploring, just having a great day today, and I thought I'd bring my brand new Ruger Mini 30. Now it's not really brand new, this is actually a used one I just picked up. It's in mint condition. This one was actually made in 2011. So we're going to shoot this today. We're going to go over it here in just a moment. It did come with 3 5-round magazines, and just really excited today, guys. But hey, check this out. Don't go nowhere. I also brought my Ruger Mini 14. Look at this bad boy, huh? Yeah, folding stock, red dot sight on it. We're gonna have fun today, so you know what? Let's get started. Wait. All right, let's get started. So, Ruger Mini 30. I actually bought one about 30 years ago and absolutely loved it, put a lot of rounds through it. But I sold it to a buddy 8 or 9 years ago, and I've regretted it ever since. So I've been kind of looking for a nice Mini 30. This one popped up at a local sporting goods store. They had a really good price on it. Again, 3 5-round magazines. I couldn't pass it up, so here we are. So let's go over this, and then I'll show you the ammo. We'll put some rounds through it. But stainless steel. You can also get these in blue. Synthetic stock. Of course, you can also get it with a wooden stock. Barrel length on this one is 18.5 inches. Weight is 6.7 pounds. The overall length is 37.5 inches. Length of pull is 13 inches. And it does have an adjustable rear sight. Scope mounts are machined directly on the steel receiver. And if you buy a new one, it will come with scope rings. And here's the safety. That's on safe. That's fire. If you buy a new one, you can either get them with 5-round or 20-round magazines. And this actually uses a fixed piston with a self-cleaning moving gas cylinder. So that's pretty cool. Hey, you know, my original Mini 30 had a problem with Russian steel-cased ammo, and that's because the primers are pretty hard in that old Russian ammo. And I've heard conflicting stories that Ruger fixed that problem with the Mini 30, but hopefully we can confirm that today. So I do have some steel-cased Russian ammo we're going to shoot. I've got some Wolf, and I have some Tula. Again, both of these were made in Russia, steel-cased. Non-corrosive. And I do have some Winchester white box, and check this out. Hopefully you can see it, but the price tag on that, $5.99. So I've had all this ammo for a while, but we're going to load up and see what happens. But you know what, let's take a quick look at my Mini 14. Mini 14 with a folding stock on this. Look at this beauty. Now this is not an original Ruger stock, and it is not a Samson stock either. This stock was actually made by Ramline back in the 1980s. Look at that, huh? Nice solid lockup on it. Just really fun to shoot this one. Let me get back here just a little bit. Quick to get on target. You know, it's easy to fold up. Now this one does have a Samson rail on it, and it has a Holosun HE508T green dot optic on it. Really like this optic. So this Mini 14 is pretty much the same as the Mini 30, except for the caliber, and this one here has a 16-inch barrel. So you know what, we're just gonna have a little fun, put some rounds through these, and see what happens. All right, I have not shot this yet, so let's put some rounds through it. I'm gonna fire 5 rounds of Winchester, and then I'm gonna fire 5 rounds of Wolf, and then 5 rounds of the Tula. So let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, look at that. You know, this hasn't had very many rounds put through it, and maybe I know why. All right, let's try 5 rounds of Wolf. All right, 5 rounds of Tula. And yes, I did clean and lube this last night. You know, maybe it just does not like 5-round magazines. I don't have a 10 or a 20-round magazine, but I'm going to order a couple, and we'll try those and see what happens. But in the meantime, we'll put a few more rounds through this, see what happens. All right, you know what? Let's try 5 more rounds of Tula. Huh. How about that? All right, using that same magazine, I have Winchester ammo. Just barely not closing. Might just be the magazines. All right, let me try Tula through this one. Okay, my mistake. I need to fire 5 rounds of Wolf ammo through this same magazine. Seems to mostly do it on the first 2 rounds. Maybe that magazine is just or maybe that spring is just a little too tight. I don't know. Damn it. Hey guys, I got this pumpkin here. I'm gonna cut a hole in it, fill it up with water, and I'm gonna shoot it with the Mini 30 with a soft point round. So let's see what happens. All right, soft point. Woohoo! Whoa! Son of a gun, that worked good.
Hey Pops, I'm gonna shoot the Mini 14. That's how you do it.
Heck, I can't come all the way out here without shooting my Mini 14. Yeah, look at that smoke, huh? You know, guys, we came out here just hoping to put a lot of rounds through this Mini 30 and put a lot of rounds through the Mini 14, and it's just not working out too well. I'm really hoping it's these 5-round magazines. I'm going to order a 10-round and a 20-round magazine and a new recoil spring because it might be a little weak. But once I get those in, we'll come back out here and shoot this. But right now, not real happy with this son of a gun. So, we'll see you guys next time.